Alright dudes, the time has come. Let's see what the fuck is up with this. Alright, so just cut the tape. Haven't opened the box yet. Let's check it out. Hopefully this is in focus. And yeah. Let's see. Alright. So we have a little bit of focus literature. This is like the warranty thing. And nice card. And yeah, quick specs. Let's check. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Okay. 32-inch double kick deck built from our secret plastic and fiberglass formula. 5-inch 3-6 cast aluminum powder whatever trucks. 54 millimeters 83A polyurethane wheels. Premium ABEX 7 whatever bearings. We'll see about that. Bolts 5.51 pounds, 2.5 kilograms. Let's check it. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Yeah. Underside. Hope it's in focus. If not, too bad. Looks pretty solid. Bearings seem to be alright. Wheels too. I mean, if you're really gonna take it out and do tricks on it, I would recommend to change, I don't know, like trucks, wheels, bearings. But that'll be up to you. You'd have to get it first. And yeah, looking pretty legit. No complaints whatsoever as of right now. So this is me on it. To be honest, I thought it was gonna be, oh shit, I thought it was gonna be more flexible, but no, it's pretty solid. Pretty solid so far. Feels good. Feels pretty good. It's on focus. A little close up. Oh, overexposed. So the grip, it's like, I don't know, it's like a texture on it. It kind of feels like that kind of sand they spray on top, but better. We'll see how that holds up. I don't know if I'm gonna do an update on it. Probably not, but we'll see. And okay, so the trucks, the P